Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to crop your canvas in Procreate to upload on WEBTOON, as well as a cropping trick that I just discovered. It literally makes life so much easier, so keep watching to find out. Let's get started. So this was a requested video and it's been a while, but I did say I would make a video on this, so here it is. Sorry for the long wait. Thank you so much to Devi Raj Mohan for the request. I'm so sorry if I said that wrong. I've shown you guys how to crop them before, but I know it was very fast paced, but I found a way to crop them without having to use all these different tools in Procreate. Before, I would duplicate my canvas several times so that I don't crop my only work and then the rest of it disappears. To save my work, I have to create mini copies of the canvas because once you crop the canvas, it's permanent. You can't undo the process. Then I'd go in manually and crop all of my work by going to the Actions tool, clicking Canvas, going to Crop and Resize. Then in the settings, I change the dimensions of the canvas to 800 by 1280 pixels. Instead of doing all of this tedious work, here is how you can crop your canvas easily and with literally zero effort. Let's say that you have these two canvases that you want to upload onto your WEBTOON. Press select and select the two canvases that you want. Now be very careful here because I have actually accidentally deleted my art instead of pressing the duplicate or the share button. Take your time or you will be very upset and frustrated because you threw all of your work away. Now I'm going to press share and I'm going to share as a PNG. WEBTOON allows you to upload JPG, JPEG, and PNG files, so I always upload mine as a PNG. I'll send it to my email so that I can save these canvases on my laptop. Now go to your email and save each of your canvases. I always label them as numbers and put them in their proper files so that everything is pretty organized and I can find things easily. Now go to WEBTOON, make sure you have an account and that you've already created a series. Then click Add Episode. Now upload your canvases by selecting Select File to Upload and you'll see all of the items you've saved. I select the two canvases from earlier and WEBTOON will automatically crop all of my work for me. Amazing, right? I can't believe that I've only figured this out last week because this is so much easier than what I've been doing. I literally have been doing 10 times more work than I should have with cropping. I hope that this was helpful to you guys. I want you guys to know more than what I knew when I first started, so please don't make the same mistakes as I did. I hope this makes your life easier, and please let me know down in the comments below if you guys already knew about this or if this was something you didn't know either. That is all I have for you guys this week. If you enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.